Today I want to answer a question of how can I stream to my Bose soundbar and my Sonos One speakers together at the same time without any complicated wiring or hacks. It's very simple to do using Apple AirPlay 2 technology. Before we get started, ensure that both of your speakers or all of your speakers are on the same Wi-Fi network. Next tip is be sure that they're all updated as far as firmware is concerned and your apps are concerned, just to make sure that there's no conflicts there. Finally, once all this is done, we're ready to go. And from here, we're going to jump onto either your iPhone, your iPad, or even your Mac. Stick around at the end. I've got a couple other tips I'm going to share with you of other ways you can use this hack to add additional speakers that are 100% offline. Let's take a look at how to set it up, and we'll use an iPad here. Okay, and we're going to go in and open up Spotify. You can use any streaming platform to do this on. And I'll pull up some music that we can listen to. All right, here's some royalty-free music. So I'm going to hit play. All right, now it's playing directly from my iPad right now. So here's how you do it. This is the secret. If you already know this and this has been around for a while, you can laugh at me. I hope you're already using this. So I'm on the iPad. Here we go. You're gonna scroll down from the top, and let me turn the volume down. Hold on. Okay, and now you're gonna see what's playing, and you're gonna click here on iPad, and you can see right now I'm playing Spotify on my iPad. But you can see automatically any other device that's compatible is showing up underneath here on my network settings. So you can see I got an LG WebOS TV showing up. I've got the Bose family room, I've got the dining room, and then I've got the kitchen, along with the family room TV and a couple more Rokus showing up. So let's connect it. Let's start off with the dining room. Okay, so there's the dining room now. You can hear that, that's right behind me over here. And then I can also turn on family room. Turn the volume down a little bit. So now I've got it going in the family room. I don't know if you can hear that jam. Yeah, there's subwoofer just kicked in. I don't know if you can hear it on the recording or not, but yeah, we crank it up. Here's family room. All right, so that's all the way over in my family room, right? And you can control these individually. Turn that one down. Again, I've got the dining room right here. And let's turn on kitchen. Crank that up. And the kitchen one is just on the other side of the kitchen over there. So right now I've got streaming all from Spotify, 3 speakers, they're all on the same network, 1 Bose and 2 of the Sonos speakers, those S1s. So super cool, super interesting, but this opens up other opportunities to stream your music to other sources that may not even be on your Wi-Fi. Okay. So I'm back on the iPad, I'm upstairs, and I wanted to show you as a bonus a really cool, what I think is a really cool hack. I've got a set of speakers that are completely offline. They don't connect to the internet, but they're connected up to my Sony TV. I got a Bravia up here. This is a Vizio soundbar that I've got plugged into a Sony Bravia TV. And it's a surround sound system, so I've got the surround speakers in the back, and it also has a small subwoofer here. Yeah? And it, of course, is connected to the Wi-Fi. So check this out. Let me show you. We have the 3 speakers that are set up here. I've got the dining room, family room, and the kitchen. I see the LG, and then I've got something called Family Room TV showing up. Let's just turn that on here. And let's see what happens. Okay, so this is now streaming to a Bravia TV. Let me show you. Yeah. It pretty much just pops right up on the TV, and we're streaming upstairs too. Okay, here's the other thing I really like. On the Sonos, you can control your volume with the top. It still works on AirPlay mode, and so if you want to skip a song, you can skip a song on here just by using the touch controls. You slide to the right, and that skips a song. And you can press the play and pause, and that works as well. So super cool. You got full functionality of your Sonos speakers when using this AirPlay. It's really pretty unbelievable to me that Apple that Apple facilitated this whole thing. So crank the volume up. Pretty cool. Crank it back down. Pause the whole thing. Pretty cool. So hey, that's it. Now you can enjoy synced up sound throughout your house on Bose, Sonos, or whatever else you might have. Yeah, and if you found this helpful, or if you've been using this technique forever and are just laughing at me, let me know. I'd be interested to hear about it. Appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching.